kinship and marriage, many rules and varied practices. Finding out about families. We often take family life for granted. However, you must have noticed that not all families are identical. They vary in terms of numbers of members, their relationship with one another, as well as the kinds of activities they share. They are not similar. There are some differences. It is not the families are not identical. The differences in numbers of family members, their relationship with one another, as well as the kind of activities they share, they are all different. Often people belonging to the same family share food and other resources and live, work and perform the rituals together. So there is something common among them. They are living together, working together and performing the rituals also together. So some sort of commonness is there. Families are usually parts of larger networks of people defined as relatives. So families together join and they form a part of a larger group which is called defined as relatives, and in technical terms that large group of people who have some sort of linkage with one another are defined as kinfolk. While familial ties or ties of the families are often regarded as natural and based on blood, they are defined in many different ways. Familial ties of the families are regarded as natural and based on blood, and they are defined in many different ways. For example, some societies regard cousins as blood relations, whereas others do not regard cousins as blood relations. कुछ लोगों में चचेरे भाइयों को या चचेरे भाइयों के बीच में खून का रिश्ता माना जाता है, जबकि दूसरे चचेरे भाइयों को अपना खून का रिश्तेदार नहीं मानते. For early societies, historians can retrieve information about elite families fairly easily. इतिहासकार उच्च वर्ग उच्च कोटि की फैमिलीज के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन आसानी से इकट्ठी कर पाते हैं, लेकिन छोटी फैमिली या फैमिली रिलेशनशिप्स ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी पीपल, उनके बारे में जानकारी या उनकी फैमिली स्ट्रक्चर को रिकंस्ट्रक्ट करना उनके लिए कठिन काम होता है. इट इज डिफिकल्ट फॉर देम टू रिकंस्ट्रक्ट द फैमिलियल रिलेशंस ऑफ ऑर्डिनरी पीपल. Historians also investigate and analyze the attitude towards family and kinship. कि लोगों का एटीट्यूड क्या है फैमिली के प्रति और किनशिप और रिश्तेदारों के प्रति क्या रिलेशनशिप है. These are important because they provide an insight into the people's thinking. आपस में उनके क्या रिलेशंस हैं, आपस में क्या रिश्ते नाते हैं, वो कैसे उनको निभाते हैं, ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण है. इससे हमें उनकी लोगों की सोच पता चलती है. This provides us insight into the people's thinking. उनकी सोच के बारे में पता चलता है. It is likely that some of these ideas would have shaped their actions. और ये सोच ही उनके कर्म को निर्धारित करती थी. This shaped their actions, that what they are going to do, how they are going to act, depended on their thinking. Just as actions may have led to change in attitudes. कई बार लोगों के जो actions थे, उसकी वजह से उनकी जो थिंकिंग थी, जो अप्रोच थी, जो एटीट्यूड था, उसमें भी परिवर्तन आ जाता है.